Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. Now come to your lecture. Lecture number 6. In our previous lecture we have done the reading of page number 6 and 7. Now we will do page number 8. On the top of the page here is some reading of the chapter and then we will do the review exercise. Now come to page number 8. You have to learn it as your objective. The largest city in Pakistan is Karachi. It is in the province of Sindh. We have already discussed about it in through the maps that the Sindh is the province of Pakistan and its one of its city is Karachi. You have to learn it as your objective. Hyderabad, Sakkar, Thada are some other cities in Sindh. The language that is commonly spoken here is Sindhi. Here they have discussed about Karachi and you have to learn it as your objective. They have discussed some cities of that are in province Sindh and they also discuss about the language that is mostly spoken in Sindh is Sindhi. Now come to review exercise. Today we will do review exercise question number 2. Question number 1 is answer these questions. We will do it in our copies later. First of all we will do question number 2 of review exercise. Look at this. Name the following. One lake in Pakistan. First of all, you have to write any one lake that is in Pakistan. As we have discussed it in our previous video, the lakes of Pakistan. Look at this. The lake of Pakistan are Saiful Muluk, Rush Lake, Siri Lake, Satpara Lake. You have to write only one of its name. आपने कोई एक लेक का नाम, मैंने यहाँ पे 4 लिखे हैं ना, आपने इनमें से किसी एक का लेक का नाम जो है ना अपने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के ए पार्ट में लिख देना. ठीक है. यहाँ पे लेट्स सपोज आप यहाँ पे लिख देते हो रश लेक. इट्स राइट. अगर आप यहाँ पे कोई और लेक का नाम लिख देते हो तो वो भी ठीक होगा. नाउ कम टू द बी पार्ट. बी पार्ट क्या है? Two neighbors of Pakistan. Oh, it's very easy. Look at this. The neighboring countries of Pakistan are. The neighboring countries are the countries that share border with the Pakistan. And we have discussed it many times. The countries that share border with Pakistan are India, China, Iran and Afghanistan. You have to write any one name of the country that share border with the Pakistan. Any one neighboring country. You can also write here India or Iran. If you want to write Afghanistan or China, it will also be right. 4 नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ होते हैं और सॉरी इसमें 2 नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ हैं. आप कोई से 2 लिख लो. आप इंडिया और ईरान लिख लो. आप चाइना और अफ़गानिस्तान लिख लो. इट विल बी राइट. Now come to C part. 3 rivers in Pakistan. As we all know that there are 5 rivers in Pakistan. River Ravi, River Jhelum, River Chenab, River Sutlej, River Indus. You have to write only 3 names of the rivers that are in Pakistan. Here are the 5 rivers of Pakistan. मैंने यहाँ पर 5 rivers शो किए हैं. आपने इसमें से कोई से 3 जो आपका दिल करता है कि नहीं मैंने ये लिखने हैं, आपने नीट राइटिंग में कहाँ पे लिखने हैं? पेज नंबर 8 पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के सी पार्ट में, जहाँ पे पूछा हुआ है 3 rivers in Pakistan. Now come to D part. 4 countries in Pakistan. 4 cities in Pakistan. Pakistan is itself a country and there are many cities in it. Oh, look at this map. We can write any four cities from this map. Look at this. इस्लामाबाद, आप लोग इस्लामाबाद लिख सकते हो, रावलपिंडी, लाहौर, फैसलाबाद, साहिवाल, मुल्तान. देर आर मैनी सिटीज़ इन पाकिस्तान. सक्खर, कराची, हैदराबाद. लुक एट दिस. कराची, मीरपुर खास, हैदराबाद. You can write any Karachi, any four cities from this map. Karachi, Lahore, Sibbi, or you can write Multan. You can also write some other countries after looking this map. Here are the some countries nahi beta cities, cities from the map. Karachi, Lahore, Sibbi, Multan, and there are also many other cities. Cities, yes. Rawalpindi, Sargodha, Sahiwal. So all of these are the, look at this, in Balochistan, Chaman, and there are also many other cities, Sibbi. You can write any four cities from this map. You have to write these four cities in map in Pakistan from your map given in page number 4, which is map of Pakistan. I have shown it in this slide. You can also write from this. Okay, now come to page number 9, as it is also very easy. Look at this. Page number 9, question number 3 of review exercise. टिक द ऑड वन. ऑड वन मीन जो सबसे इसमें थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, जो अलग से किसी चीज़ का नाम दिया हुआ है, हमने उसको टिक कर देना है. जिस तरह से ए पंजाब, सिंध, कराची, बलूचिस्तान. अब आप लोग यहाँ पर देखो, पंजाब, सिंध और बलूचिस्तान. दीज आर द नेम ऑफ प्रोविंसेस. सो विच वन इज़ ऑड वन? यस, कराची. इस तरह से हमने करना है. जिस तरह से अगर गर्ल्स की नेम है हिरा, निदा और फ़ातिमा, और उसके बाद एक लिखा हुआ है फ़ाहद, तो इसमें ओड वन क्या है? फ़ाहद. बाकी सब किसके नेम है? गर्ल्स की. नाउ कम टू बी पार्ट. रावी, रश, जेहलम, रावी, रश, चिनाब, सुतलेज. As we know that these are the name of rivers. Which name? Ravi, river Chenab, river Sutlej. Which one is odd? Rush. Try to do C and D part by yourself. It's also very easy. Just you have to tick the odd ones. Now come to question number 4, review exercise. Write a paragraph on about your city. Here there is a misprinting of about. Write a paragraph about your city. Okay class, now we have to write a paragraph about our city. In which city we are living? Yes, we are living in Lahore. We have to write few lines in paragraph about our city. You can write it as the name of the city where we live is Lahore, or you can write this line, I live in Lahore. Then you have to explain, you have to write something more about Lahore. आप लोगों ने अपने से खुद से लाइंस जो हैं वो आपने जो हैं वो लिखनी है लाहौर के बारे में. यू कैन राइट इट एज दैट लाहौर इज़ द कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ प्रोविंस ऑफ पंजाब. As we have seen through the map that it is in Punjab. In which province? Yes, it is in Punjab. You can also write it. It is known as the heart of Pakistan. It is located on the bank of river Ravi. It is known as the green city, and it is home to many gardens. As we know that there are many gardens in Lahore. You can also write this line as there are many gardens and historical buildings in Lahore. There are many schools, colleges, gardens and beautiful wide roads. Lahore is the most important city of Pakistan. is the most beautiful city of Pakistan. There are many historical buildings. Here comes the buildings in Lahore. I love my city. You have to write a paragraph about your city in your own words. Okay, I hope all of you understand this. Now come to your diary. Do review exercise of unit number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 2, 3 and 4 on your book. Take care. Goodbye. Do your work very neatly. Write date and date on the top of the page and do your work very neatly. Take care. Goodbye.